Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled IC 342, Hidden Galaxy in Camelapardalis. So what do we see here? Well, here we see what looks like an ordinary spiral galaxy. So why is it a hidden galaxy? And that's because it is a very hard galaxy to see and to image. It would actually be a relatively bright galaxy, visible in the sky, except for the fact that it happens to be located along the plane of our Milky Way. And that means in order to see it, we not only have to look through stars, which wouldn't be too bad, but we also have to look through gas and dust. And the dust especially is very good at blocking out the light from behind and makes it very hard to image galaxies in this direction. So we're seeing what they will do. In fact, the dust will do two things. It will dim the light, making it a lot fainter, meaning that you need a longer exposure to be able to pick up the details of the galaxy. And it will also redden the light, meaning that it preferentially absorbs the blue light, making a galaxy appear redder than it otherwise would. Now, as I've said, otherwise this looks like a pretty ordinary spiral galaxy with the spiral arms swirling out from the interior and some of the bright red glow of various hydrogen regions of ionized hydrogen where stars are forming. And we see those in our own galaxy, with our own Orion Nebula being a prominent one. Although these are much larger, as our Orion Nebula region is much smaller star forming region than some of the ones we'd be seeing in distant galaxies like this. It's also known as an active galaxy because it has undergone a recent burst of star formation, making it a little brighter than it otherwise would be and having far more of that blue glow in the spiral arms that we see, which are star clusters which have formed recently. So within the last few million years, we've had a great burst of star formation here. Could be associated with interactions with other galaxies. And in fact, this galaxy, while not part of our local group, is actually close enough that it could have influenced the galaxies within our local group of galaxies. Now that local group is our own group of a few dozen galaxies that happen to be close to our Milky Way. They include prominently the Andromeda galaxy and the Triangulum galaxy as two other large spiral galaxies, as well as a number of small dwarf galaxies that are present as well. But this galaxy, while not part of that group, actually is close enough to gravitationally influence it over time. So that was our picture of the day, titled IC 342, Hidden Galaxy in Camelapardalis. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Sundog versus Earth Dog. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.